Okay, right. So to solve letter series questions, there are some mandatory things. There are 4 things. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. In that, number 1 is you should know all letter numbers. You should know all letter positions. Letter number nothing but position, or it's a rank. Do you know all letter positions?
No, sir.
From A1 to Z26.
Oh, okay, so that one, okay.
Sir,
Yes.
you told some ejoti.
Okay. Let us see that again. So
Sir, ejoti is like
That means like there is 26 numbers and 26 alphabets like that, right?
yes.
So the A
Yeah.
will come to 1, B will come to 2 like that.
Yes, yes. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R,
R,
S,
S,
T,
T,
U,
U,
V,
V, W,
W,
X,
X,
Y.
Y, and Z. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12. Series completion. In that, we are seeing letter series. For that, to solve letter series questions, so we are discussing the basic things which are necessary for letter series. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. Now tell me, what is 17th letter?
Sir, it's Q. Q.
23rd letter?
Sir, W.
W.
13th letter?
Sir,
30, sir.
M.
30 is not
13.
there, na? 13th.
13, sir. Okay, sir. M.
M. 5th letter?
Sir, E.
15th letter?
Sir, O.
O.
25.
Y.
Sir, Y.
Sir, Y.
Okay. Third letter?
Sir, C.
Sir, C.
18th letter?
R.
R.
Okay. 1 second. Now tell 17th letter?
Q.
9th letter?
9th letter. I.
Yes. 15th letter?
O.
Okay. Previously, you are able to say the letter positions easily because they are available on the screen. But now you are unable to say the letter positions in the same way. Okay. So you should memorize them. Compulsory. It is mandatory for competitive exams. Compulsory. So you may think in the exam hall, I'll write the letter positions like this and I'll write the numbers also A to Z 1 to 26 and later I'll solve the question. Means for one question, if you write all these things, it is a waste of time. Okay. And if they are in the brain, you will process easily. If they are on the paper, the process will also take some extra time. Okay. So my suggestion is you have to practice all these letter positions and you have to memorize them compulsory. It is mandatory. Okay. Let us see some tricks or techniques or hints to memorize those letter positions. The main hint is EJOT, right? EJOTY, EJOT. What are all these letters?
E is 5, J
E is 5,
E is 5,
10,
J is 10,
15,
O is 15,
T is
T is
20.
20, Y
and
is 25.
25. So all these are consecutive multiples of 5. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 threes are, till 5 fives are. Now, if I ask you what is the 11th letter, instead of counting from 1, instead of counting from A, I'll count from J. Yes or no? 10, 11, J, K. K is 11th letter. In that way, we can say easily. If I ask you what is the 19th letter, then you can say simply 20th letter is T, before letter is 19th letter. That is yes. So if I ask you what is the 22nd letter, then 20 is T, 21, 22 means U, V. V is the 22nd letter. Okay. So this is the main point to memorize the letter positions. Along with this, let us keep some more points.
So please say the topic name, sir.
Series, letter series.
It's of
Okay,
letters or letter series.
Yeah, it is there on the top. Okay. For this letter series, we are discussing the basic things which are necessary. Okay. In that first point is
Okay,
letter
sir.
numbers. Letter numbers. Okay. Along with this, tell me some other points. Sir, with this hint, we can memorize this letter position. In that way, if there are any hints, tell
Sir,
me any
happy,
hints.
happy, except PY.
Okay. Then
Sir, last time you
with that happy, what do you want to say?
You're asking number.
To memorize a letter and its position, tell me some hints.
Sir, once can you show that, sir? Means you have shown us, sir, A2.
Sir, we can take
Sir.
10 multiples, sir. 10 multiples. 10 multiples.
Okay. Will you see IPL?
Yes, sir.
What are those matches?
T20.
Sir,
T20.
T20 IPLs.
T.
T is 20.
Oh,
That what is the old name of Punjab team?
Punjab team.
11 Punjab. Kings 11
Yeah,
Punjab.
Kings
K is
11
11.
Punjab.
Kings 11. K is 11. Okay. Next.
Sir,
M.
sir, one minute, sir. Can you please show that A to Z, sir,
13.
with numerics?
13.
M
Sir,
middle.
A to
Nothing
Z
but-
with numerics, sir.
Why? You can write it them, or you can write them. You know them already. Don't
Okay,
you
sir,
know?
sir.
A to Z?
No, but sir, means in first row, how many we have to get like that and dividing.
M middle 13. M middle 13. Actually, there is no middle letter among 26 letters. We cannot get a middle letter among 26 letters because there are even number of letters. But
Yeah,
even
sir.
though our idea is M middle nothing but half of this number. Half of
We can
26 is
get
13.
right, sir. If 26 it is divided by 2, it's 13 only, right, sir?
Yes. Half, not middle actually, but half. We can use it to memorize. M middle means 13. Okay. Next. And for M, not only this technique, we have another technique also. Not only for M and W also. So M
Sir,
and
another
W,
technique, sir.
M and W, if you rotate them, somewhere it seems like a number 3. Yes,
Yes,
or no? Yeah. The numbers consisting of 3 from 1 to 26 are, one is 3, another is 13, another is 23. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Numbers consisting of 3, 13, 23. We know third letter is C. There is no confusion with the 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
From first it is C, from last it is X. There is no confusion with the 3. So then M will be 13, W will be 23. 13 and 23.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you said if we ulta the 3, sir, we
Yeah,
can
if
get
you-
M or W, right? But how can we get the 1 and the 2?
We don't get 1 and 2. What I'm saying, the numbers consisting of 3.
Sir, I know, sir, but you said the easy technique for 3 is ulta bulting it and you will get W and M, right? Then people will be confused and write like 3, 3. Then what about the first digit, sir?
Just listen. Okay. When you rotate M and W, it seems like a number 3. Then numbers consisting of 3 from 1 to 26 numbers. 1 to 26 numbers consisting of 3 are, one is 3, another is 13, another is 23. Why you are considering this digit by digit? I'm saying it is 13 and it is 23.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, then any more techniques to memorize the letter positions?
Sir,
Yes.
V and N are same, sir.
Why? How? V and how
Sir,
they
sir,
will be
not
same?
the numbers, sir. Not the numbers. Not the numbers, sir.
Not numbers. Tell me how they are
Letter.
same.
Sir, like N is like this, right?
V is like this.
No, sir. N.
N is like this. Okay.
Sir, if you cross it like this, sir, in the straight way, like this, it will be a Z.
Okay. Right. Okay. One thing I want to tell you. What is that point is all these hint points may vary person to person. All these hint points may vary person to person. One person remembers in one way, other person remembers in another way. Okay. Whatever way the way you remember, you have to remember all these parameters. That's all. Okay. You yourself keep the hint points to memorize the letter positions. Okay. Can you do that?
Yes, sir. we can
Okay.
do.
As of now, we will use this one. Okay. But later on, you try to avoid this one.
Sir, did we start it right now only, right, sir?
Yes.
Sorry, 15 minutes ago.
Yes. Okay. Next, one more thing. All these letter positions are forward positions or backward positions?
Sir, until now we did
Forward.
Forward means A to Z.
Sir, we did write Z2A also. Z2A also.
Reverse means
Z to A.
Z to A or Z to A.
Z will be
Okay.
1 and A will be 26.
Yes. Z will be 1 in the reverse order. Z will be 1, Y will be 2, X will be 3. In that way, A will be 26.
26.
Okay. Then how to memorize those letter positions? You are not only to memorize forward letter positions, you have to memorize the reverse positions also, backward positions also. How can we memorize them?
Sir, make that Jyoti ulta.
No, don't keep any more hint points for backward or reverse positions. If you keep any hint points for reverse positions, there will be a confusion between forward and backward. Whatever the hint points you can keep for forward only. Don't make any hint points for reverse. So if you know forward position, you can get reverse position also easily. See how it is. Yes, forward position is how much? 1. Backward position is how much?
26.
26. What is their sum? 1 plus 26, how much?
27.
27. Let me take another letter like X. Forward position is?
B.
Forward position.
20.
Oh, 2.
Forward position. 24. A to Z, it is 24th letter.
Okay. Sir,
A to Z,
why?
it is 24th letter because 25 is B, 26 A.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay.
25
So in the
is C,
backward, it is Z is 1,
Oh.
Y is 2, X is
3.
3. What is that
Third
sum?
one. Sir, I understood. If you know the forward position.
Wait. Let me explain.
What
What is their sum here?
to make 27.
What is their sum here? Here also it is 27 only.
27.
So you take any letter for any letter. Sorry. For any letter, forward position
Backward position
plus
is equals
backward position
is equal to
27. Yes, somebody are calling.
Sir, it's like Z is 26 and it's, if we reverse it, we get 1. So it's like even if we both add them, we get 27.
Now see here, we have an equation. Forward position plus backward position will be 27. Yes or no? in this equation, if you know forward, you can get reverse, right?
Yeah,
If you know
sir.
reverse, we can get forward. Already we know forward or backward.
We know forward, we don't know
Forward.
backward.
So we don't know backward means we can get backward or reverse using forward positions. How? Reverse order position. Reverse order or backward order, both are same.
We can even subtract 27 with forward.
27 minus forward. Backward or reverse position is equal to 27 minus forward. Okay. Now tell me, case forward position is how much?
K forward position 11.
King's 11, K 11. Okay. Now how to say reverse? By subtracting from 27. 27 minus 11 is
80, I mean 16.
16. So 16th letter. Okay. K in the reverse, it will be 16th letter. Okay. Tell me, M forward position is
13.
13.
13. In the reverse, it will be 27 minus 13. How much it is?
For 14.
14. Yes. And one more is G. Forward position is how much?
11.
Yeah, we have a Telugu movie, G by 7. Telugu, Tamil. Sir, no, 7 by G, Brindavan Colony. In that way, we can memorize it. G7.
Sir, G7, sir, forward position.
Yeah, G7, forward position. Suppose if I ask reverse position, 27 minus 7. How much it is?
20.
20.
20.
Okay. X. Okay, you can tell X easily. Then tell me T. Reverse it is?
20.
Forward is 20. Reverse?
Oh, 4.
7.
7.
7. 7, yes. And suppose if I ask
Sir,
you
here
O.
you wrote
O.
27 minus
What's
4.
Yeah, O. Forward position is how much?
Oh,
EJOT consists of O. Tell me.
15.
12.
15. 15. EJOT. 5 multiples.
15.
Oh, so you're asking forward or backward, sir?
Forward is 15. First I asked you forward only. Forward is 15. Now tell me backward position.
12.
12.
12.
Because 15.
12.
27 minus 15 is 12. Okay. So practice in this way. Then it will be easy. Otherwise, if you want to write like this, you can write like this. Then it will take some extra time in writing, and even it will take some extra time in processing
Down
also.
you wrote that 27 minus forward number. The forward number may be bigger. I mean, wait. No.
No, forward cannot be bigger than 26. Sorry, 27. Because there are 26 letters only now.
Yes.
Okay, see. A forward position is how much?
1.
Backward position is this one.
Sir, you wrote like that. I understood.
Yeah, forward position is
6. Backward position 21.
backward is 21. Use V's forward position is
Means
22.
22. So it's like 6,
backward will be
5,
5. Q's forward position
17.
17.
17.
Backward
10.
position
10.
10.
10.
Okay. So you have to practice them and you have to memorize them. That is the point number 1 here. You have to memorize all letter positions or letter numbers both in forward and backward positions, backward directions. This is the basic
Sir, if we just
necessity.
done the forward one, we can even get the backward one.
Backward by memorizing that one equation, reverse equal to forward minus 27 minus forward. Okay, then see the second point here, second mandatory point, that is opposite letter pairs. Opposite letter pairs.
Sir, like you showed,
Opposite letter pairs nothing but letter from forward, first letter from forward and first letter from backward. Letters maintaining same position from forward and backward. Letters maintaining same position from forward and backward. What is the first letter from first? What is the first letter from first?
A.
A. What is the first letter from last?
Z.
This is one opposite letter pair. What is the second letter from first?
B.
B. Second letter from last is
Sorted right, sir. Like for,
Y. So
O.
this is another opposite letter pair. So on M. 13th letter from first is M. 13th letter from last is N. So M and N are also opposite letter pair. Okay. So are there any hints to memorize opposite letter positions?
No, I think so, sir.
Yeah, there are some hints. All of you, where are you staying? In which city you are staying? Sorry,
Hyderabad.
all of you are in Hyderabad only.
Yes, sir.
Then you know Secunderabad also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then Hyderabad and Secunderabad are opposite letter pair. Twin cities, opposite letter pair, HS. Okay, you know Indian Railways?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then
sir.
I and R are opposite letter pair. Indian Railways. In Indian Railways, you know GT Express, Grand Tuck,
Yes, sir.
GNT are opposite letter pair. Okay, or otherwise you can memorize like Gujarat Titans also.
Yes, sir. Kabaddi.
Okay, any more hints?
I think so. Sir, can you do it little bit out?
Sir, I think this should be very basic, but then A to Z we always see.
Yes. See here, A and Z, B, Y, C, X, D, W, E, V, like this. So, do you love your parents?
Yes, sir.
What is it, sir?
M and
Is this love?
Yes.
yes, sir.
Then these two are
L, O,
opposite
and
letter pair,
B.
and these two also opposite letter pair.
Sir,
Sir, can you do it little bit upstairs?
Yes, yes.
sir,
See here.
sir. So if you take BY, we can see boy, right? We
Yes,
can leave
BY.
the O. We can
Yes,
leave
correct.
the O.
Correct.
So in the middle letter, which is one letter only, we can leave that.
Yes, correct. You can.
Only one letter or two letters, sir.
No, that's just a
No,
hint
sir,
point,
I
right?
understand, I
Boy
understand, I
is the
understand.
hint. Boy is the hint for B and Y. That's all. That
Last
is.
letters and the first letter is
Do you know pack of cards?
Yes, sir.
Jack and Queen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Jack and Queen are opposite letter pair.
Sir, those are gambling cards that we never see them.
But you will get questions in future. You will get questions in competitive exams also from that pack of cards. Okay, then. So opposite letter pairs. So if you don't want to memorize in this way with these hint points, I'll tell you another point. What is that? What is the A's letter position?
1.
Z.
26.
There's some
97.
27. B's letter position?
2.
2. Y.
25.
Sum is
25.
27.
27.
3 and
Sir,
24.
everything is 27, sir. Everything is 27.
Yes, everything is 27. So means any pair of letter having some 27 are opposite.
Yes.
Got it? Any pair of letter having some 27. If you add those two numbers, it should be 27. Then we can call those two pairs as, two letters as opposite letter pair.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell your doubt.
Sir, so in alphabets and numbers, there are 26 letters and numbers, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Then what happened is like when you take the reverse letters and the forward letters, you keep them together. You plus, you get the sum 27, 27, 27, 27, right?
Yes.
But there are only 26 letters,
26
right?
letters only.
How is that
Okay.
possible?
How it is possible is I'll explain you. See here. There are 3 persons. Okay. 1, 2,
Sir, I
3.
didn't understand the question.
I understood. I have understood that question, and you also will get understood just now. See, there are 2 persons. This is Mr. Ram, and this is Mr. Ramesh, and this is Mr. Suresh. Okay. Tell me, tell me what is the position of Ramesh from left side?
From left side, it's like exactly
2. What is the position
Second.
of Ramesh from right side?
Second.
Second. Add these 2
Sir,
numbers.
it's the average.
4,
We are getting 4. But how many persons are there?
3.
3.
Why we are getting 4 then?
I don't know.
Sir, because
There are only 3 persons, but we are getting 4. Why?
Sir, because the position is less, but then if you add them both together, it becomes more.
No, because we have considered Ramesh twice. That's why we are getting 1 number extra.
Means we have kept R 2 times.
Sir, I didn't got it, sir. Can you explain it again?
From left side, Ramesh position is second. From right side,
sir.
Ramesh position is again second.
Yeah, sir.
If you add these 2 numbers, 2 plus 2, we are getting 4. But actually, how many persons are there in the row?
3.
3 persons only. Why we are getting 4 means we have considered the position of Ramesh twice. Okay. In the same way,
Means how twice, sir?
what is the position of Z?
Middle number.
Not only for middle, for everything. See, what is the position of Suresh from left side?
3rd.
Third. What is the position of Suresh from right side? First. So 3 plus 1 is again 4 only. You take any person, even in the alphabet series also. See, for what is the position of Z from first?
26.
26.
From last 1.
1.
So here 1 plus 26 is 27. Why we are getting 27? Actually, there are 26 letters, but why we are getting 27 means 27 is we are considering Z twice.
Z in 27 and sorry 26 and 1 also.
Yes, we are considering twice. That's why we are getting 1 extra. Understood, Rishita?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So like, is it should be like 25?
No.
No, sir, in that alphabet one I'm asking. So if you don't count Z, it's like 25.
If you don't
And
count,
if
you'll
you
get
add-
26 only. If you don't count twice, if you count once, you'll get 26. If you don't count at least once, then you'll get 25. Okay, then. Opposite letter pairs is mandatory. And next, the third mandatory point is we should know how to do plus and into operations. We should know how to do plus and into operations.
Addition and subtraction. Sorry, addition
Yes.
and multiplication.
Addition and multiplications. Means slow increase and fast increase. Okay. Suppose somewhere if I ask you for M, if you have to do plus 7, what will be that letter?
20. It's 20. So
No, what is that letter?
T.
Suppose if you write all the letter positions M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and then if you count in this way from M plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. So the plus 7 letter is T. So the answer is T. You are getting the answer T. Okay, but you are wasting time in counting these positions.
Sir, I know that M's position is 13. So when I add it,
If you know that M's position is 13, directly you can say 13 plus 7 is 20. 20th letter is T. Now is it easy or not?
It's easy.
Yes, sir.
Even for
Yeah,
plus
sir,
7, if you are doing in this way means if I give plus 30, then yes or no, it will take a lot of time.
It's not possible, sir, because 30.
Yeah, it is possible. In reasoning, it is possible. Yeah, remember one more thing. In reasoning, always there will be Z before A. and always there will be A after Z. Okay, how many English alphabets are there actually?
26 or
Yeah, in English we have only 26 letters, but in reasoning we have many number of letters. What is 27th letter?
27 is like
It's again A.
NM.
Oh, sir, you're repeating.
Yeah, we can repeat the alphabet. We can use the alphabet cyclically.
Like
Sir,
That's why-
the
That's why in reasoning we call alphabet as cycle, alphabet cycle. Generally we call it as alphabet cycle.
Sir, are like there are different kinds of order. Are there? These both letters are in like different order, sir.
Different order means?
Like not even like Z and AZ. Like even can it be like ZZA?
No. We'll
Only
see that
like
type of questions later. Okay, we have that type of letters also. That type of questions also we have. We'll see that later. Okay. What is 27th letter? That is A. 28th letter?
28th letter Z. B.
No, B.
E.
29th letter
Okay, in the
E.
first cycle A is 1, but in the second cycle A is
2.
27. In the first cycle
So
B
we will
is
take
2.
that alphabet again and again, twice.
Twice and twice and twice. Not only 28, 29. Suppose if I ask you what is 54th letter, then
X.
no.
25th number, sir.
26 twos are how much?
26 twos are
52.
52
yeah.
plus how much it is? 52 means there are 2 cycles. Okay, plus how much it is? 2. 2 means what is the letter position? B again.
D.
Okay, 52nd letter is Z. 53rd letter is A. 54th letter is B again.
Like, do they repeat like after one cycle A to Z? Again, it repeats on.
Yes,
Sir.
again it repeats. Means we can simply remove 26 multiples. Okay, 54. From 54, if you remove 26 multiple, that is 52. Then the remaining number is the letter position. Okay.
So like
Okay.
how could we like should we 26 into 54, sir?
No, 26 twos are 52. Means there are 2 cycles over. And what is the remaining number then?
2.
2. That is the second letter in the third cycle. That means second letter in the third cycle. In every cycle, second letter is B only, no?
Yeah, sir.
So that's why B.
Oh.
Okay, see. Somewhere if you have to do
Sir, but the second letter is B, sir. If we do 52 plus 2, then it will become 54, na, sir.
Yeah, 54 only. In
Then
every
the
cycle, I'm
answer will be
telling.
D, na, sir. But you have said the answer is B.
Sorry. Tell again.
Sir, if we do 52 plus 2, then the answer should be D, sir, because 54 will come, na, sir. Then you are saying
I'm telling
the
about
answer is
54 only. 54 only. See, 54. 1 second. Where is my pen? 54. I'm splitting like this. 26 plus 26 plus 2. Got it? 26 plus 26 plus 2. This is one cycle, A to Z. This is another cycle, A to Z. So it is in the third cycle. A is the first letter, B is the second letter. Then
okay. Okay.
I'm not telling about 52. I'm telling about 54 only directly.
Yes.
Okay. Somewhere if you have to do M plus 7, you can do directly by taking 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. 20 the letter is T. Okay. Sir, it is within the cycle. Now it is okay. What if the cycle exceeds? Means somewhere if you have to do W plus 9. In that case?
Oh, W plus 9.
Yeah, W is actually You should know letter positions. Okay. By the next class means exactly we have 1 week. By the next class, you should be ready with the letter positions. Okay. 23 plus 9 is how much?
32.
32.
32 split into 26 plus something. 26 plus how much?
26 plus 6.
That 6 is the letter position. What is the sixth letter?
F.
No.
50.
Sixth letter. 6 fixed. Okay.
F.
But the
Yeah.
answer is 15.
Sir, I told it, no, sir. F.
F. F is the correct answer.
Sixth letter is F.
Yeah, sixth
Sir,
letter
are
is
we going to have any tests, sir?
every time you are asking, but I am unable to conduct it.
Then you can make your own test, right?
Sir, can we have a quiz then?
From quiz, sir, you can keep, sir.
Yeah, if I
Sir, today
conduct
only.
any test, it will be a
Sir, if
quiz
you
only.
tell to get a quiz,
We are not conducting any tests, sir.
I will plan for it. Okay.
can we play quiz?
Okay. Okay. See here.
together?
See here. See here. W plus 9. 23 plus 9 is 32. Because 32 is more than 26, then we have to subtract 26. The remaining position will give the letter number directly. Okay. Here 6 remaining means 6. Sixth letter is F. Okay. Suppose.
Sir, it could be also like 31 minus 1, right? Also 31 plus 1 also, right? Sir?
No, here what I did is
It's
I have separated one cycle.
26.
I have separated one cycle, one group of one set of letters, 1 to 26. Okay, if you split 32 like 31 plus 1, what is the use? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, we can
Uh,
use this method for every letter.
Sorry.
We can use this method for every letter.
Yeah, for
Easiest
every
way.
letter we can use. Somewhere L is there, then you have to do multiplication by 2. Then what is the letter?
L means it's
L is 12.
What is the answer here?
24, sir.
No.
Oh.
Here my question is, what is that letter?
Sir, L.
Sir, X.
Yes. So L is 12. L is 12. 12 2s are 24. Directly 24th letter is X. I think now you come to know how to do additive and multiplicative operations. Suppose there is a letter G. For this G, you have to do into 3. Then how will you do?
Sir, G means it's 7, sir. If
G
we
is actually
multiply
7.
it's like 21. So
It will be
21 is
21.
U.
21 is U.
21 is you.
Yes, correct. T20, U21. Okay.
T20, U20.
So this is the third point which is necessary for letter series questions.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, when will we know which number we should multiply it by which letter?
They will give.
That thing we'll see in the series questions. Okay. When we are solving questions, suppose there is a series of letters is given. Here it is +1, here +2, here +3 is given. Then somewhere you have to do +7 also, +9 also, right?
So not that, sir. You are like saying like L, right? Multiplied by 2. G multiplied by 3. Like that only every letter has multiple, like multiplying, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, but how can we say which letter has which number to multiply?
We will have its application in the series, in the middle of the series. Okay. In a group of letters, I'm telling about, I'm telling the relation between any two letters. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It can be, or the operation can be like into 3. To clarify your doubt, let me take one example. Suppose I'm writing one series B, B, D, L. Then what is the next letter? What is the next letter? Tell
Sir,
me,
B
B to B,
means
what
2
what can we take?
into 1
Into 1. B to D
into 2
into 2. D to L.
into
Sir, it's a P, sir.
D is 4.
Into
L
8.
is 12.
Sir. Sir, into 3 only.
Yeah, 4 3s are 12.
Sir.
D is 4. L is 12. So into 3.
12 into 4,
Then we have to do into 4. 12 4s are
12 4s are 48, sir.
48 split into 26 plus something.
26 plus 26 plus
How much?
8.
22. What is the 22 letter?
22 is like 22 is B.
Sir, B.
B.
B. That's your answer.
Oh my god.
Understood? What is the application of these things?
Yes, sir. We are
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
consecutive natural numbers.
Consecutive natural numbers. Yes. So once if you replace letters by their positions, it will be a number series only, like. Yes
Sir,
or no?
can you even do like 25 plus 23, sir?
Sir.
25 plus 23.
Yes, sir.
Again, you are going to that position only. 25 plus 23. After doing this, what is the use of splitting like this? I already told you. Separate one cycle, then remaining position
Sir?
will give the letter position. One second. Vedanta. Separate one
It's
cycle.
like we should take 26 as a cycle. It's a cycle.
Yeah, 26 is cycle only, na? Letter
Yeah, sir.
cycle.
So we should
Subtract 26
even-
from 48.
what should we do if we get 2 cycles, sir? More
Then
than 2
subtract 2
cycles.
cycles. That is what we did in case of 54th letter. 26 has subtracted. One more 26 is subtracted. Remaining 2 is the letter position. That is B. As
Okay,
many
sir, got it.
26 are available, those many 26 you can remove.
Sir.
Yes. I think
Sir,
time is
I
over, right?
joined now. So what do you teach? Can you explain me?
Then you can see in your YouTube video. Okay. I'll upload the video and we'll meet in the next class. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yeah. In the next class, we will
Bye,
see.
sir.
In the next class, we will see minus and division operations, and later we'll start the questions.
Okay, sir.
This is pending.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.